new eMac with me. 40 years ago today, Apple launched the very first Macintosh personal computer. So I wanted to bring out the very first Apple product I ever used, the eMac. This is gonna bring me so much nostalgia. The last time I even saw an eMac was in my elementary school. So let's see if it actually turns on, works, and everything that comes with it. Let's go. I'm currently using the beautiful purple M3 iMac that I love, but let's bring in the eMac. Also, in case you're wondering, it is called an eMac, not an iMac. E stands for education. That's why a lot of schools had them in their computer labs. My very strong little brother is going to pick it up for us. Look at this. It's actually 50 pounds.
Huge.
50 pounds. Just please look at how thick it is compared to my new iMac. Holy. We have the keyboard that is extremely thick and yellow and full of crumbs. It's got a lot of love over the years, and look at the mouse. I actually really like this mouse. Look at everything we've got here. Apple, I love you for that. This is full of dust, but the eMac came with so many books. Yo, we got iMovie 2, iMac applications, software installed. Do you guys remember when it all came on discs like this? We have a user guide. This is gonna be fun to look through. How can I get started on the World Wide Web? How do I work comfortably? That's so cool, look. It's telling you how to sit. This is iconic, Mac for Dummies. If you want the 2024 version of Mac for Dummies, head over to my channel and click subscribe because I give you all that information. Net etiquette. In cyberspace, no one can hear you smile. I'm confused. Whoever this was really into recording music and doing all that kind of fun stuff. So we have some books on that and a whole manual with everything printed out. This person was organized. Now let's see if this eMac can turn on and if we can play games, do some fun stuff, surf the web. I don't know. Let's go. The moment of truth. Will it turn on? Please. Oh my. Come on.
2 hours later.
There it is. As you guys can probably hear, it is extremely loud, but check this out. It says your computer's clock is set to date before March 24th, 2001. Look at the dock. Honestly, a lot of them still look the same. iTunes. Let's click on iTunes. This guy's got some good music. Okay. Oh, let's turn it up. So me and my brother think that whoever eMac this was made some original music and it's on here, or like covers. Yeah, listen to this. Yeah? Initial impressions are, it's not slow at all. Like, it's honestly surprisingly quick. Yeah. The audio isn't that bad.
It's not the greatest, but it's not bad.
It's not bad. It's not the greatest.
Pretty good. It's okay.
Let's see if we can go on the internet. You are not connected to the internet. Oh no. So there's no Wi-Fi, unfortunately.
Only Ethernet.
All right, let's click on the dashboard. Do you guys remember this tile game? I do. Okay, how do we add more stuff to the dashboard? Oh, right there. iTunes, dictionary, Google, unit converter, weather,
stickies.
some stickies.
Tile game.
Tile game. I remember playing this in elementary school. It's kind of difficult.
I don't even know what I'm looking at.
Yeah, this is kind of hard, I'm not gonna lie.
Just click around until I get it. Well, that's the nose, so it needs to go down. What happened?
Look at the difference of chunkiness. And I also really appreciate the old font. I love it.
It's so crusty.
It's so crusty. Hello from 2024. forget how to open this. There's a button somewhere.
No,
This?
I think you gotta click. Oh.
It is that. It's this. Let's see if we can play The Hobbit. Ta-da! Alright, it didn't work. Never mind. Alright, since the DVD didn't work, I'm gonna try to find a old CD and see if that'll play music. This is my old discs that I used to burn, put songs on. Oh, Sims 3 or Sims Pet Stories. We have to try this. I need to put this in right now and see if it works. What else do we have? A bunch of random burnt CDs. Aquarius, yes. I keep doing this, but there's no scroll wheel. No, it says unavailable. Supportive disk not available. I was so confused. I'm like, what is iChat? And it says here it is a video conferencing, so basically FaceTime. Here is our calendar. Let's go to today. What was the first Apple device you ever used? I want to know down below in the comments. These are the different resolution, the colors, millions, and now we have billions. And refresh rate is 89 Hertz. Yes, definitely brighter. And up the contrast. There we go. That is so much better. Let's look at the old desktops. I remember this one. Oh, this one was my favorite. That was my favorite. And I also loved the Ladybug. Yeah, I love that one. That's giving early 2000s core. These rocks. I don't really care for that one, but we're definitely gonna leave it on Nemo. Oh, plants. Black and white, abstract. Ooh. Is it similar? This screensaver was iconic. Do you guys remember the visualizer when you were playing music? What a vibe. It's really cool to see how I've grown up with the Apple ecosystem from my very first eMac to now the M3 iMac. I use it every single day to get my work done, and it's incredible to see that I've been using Apple my whole life. It's kind of unfortunate that the disc reader doesn't work. I really want to be able to watch some of the movies I grew up loving, like The Dark Knight and 17 again, and play some of my favorite songs that I have on CD. That would be so cool. I definitely want to set up this eMac and watch a movie on it, so stay tuned on my socials to see if I can get that working. If I can fix it, I also want to get some old games that we used to get in cereal boxes. I feel like that would be so much fun. I had a great time unboxing and looking through everything. I'm so glad it turned on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!